Here I have a bag of chocolate morsels, and I also have a bag of white chocolate morsels. And I'm going to melt it in this bowl using my microwave. Okay, I ended up burning my chocolate in the microwave. So what I did was take a small pot of boiling water, small in the bowl that you see here. Once the water was boiled, I turned it off and I set the bowl on top of the water, making sure that the bowl does not sit in water, just enough to get it hot. And what it did, it melted. So I think that is the safest way to do this. Now, as you can see here, I'm twisting my pretzel stick into the bowl. Of course, you see this is not going to work. What I'm going to have to do is get a glass and pour the chocolate into the glass. And I think that would work a whole lot better. Okay, here you can see that I have put the chocolate into a glass. This makes it much easier to cover the stick. What you want to do is shake off the excess chocolate before you lay it on the wax paper and then place it onto the tray. One thing I've discovered after doing a few is just to tilt the glass sideways. Make sure some chocolate is right here at the edge and just stick it in there and twist and try to pick up some of the chocolate along the back. I'm running out of chocolate, so I'm going to have to melt some more. But I want to make sure the stick is covered until you get it right. What I'm going to do is move the chocolate down a little bit, okay, to the bottom of the glass. Okay, it's enough for me to do a couple more. So let's try this again. I'm putting it in. I'm making sure it lays in the chocolate, and I'm twisting, making sure to cover the entire pretzel with the chocolate. I'm getting low on chocolate here, so I'm trying to get every little bit, and I'm twisting as I go. Give it like a swirly effect, and then bring it out. And it's covered. Just let it drip. As you can see, I'm going to put that back. I have melted the white chocolate. So now what I'm going to do, because I've already made the chocolate ones, now what I'm going to do is take this glass and I'm going to pour some of this chocolate into this glass. Very carefully, try not to make it spill. Okay, now I'm pouring the white chocolate into the glass to make it easy for me to cover the pretzel sticks. I'm trying to shake the chocolate down to the bottom of the glass, bottom sideways, so that when I put the stick in, it will just lay in and cover it much easier. Now I'm going to take the pretzel stick laying my tray in wax paper so that I could lay the pretzel sticks on the paper. Looking a bit confused. Now I'm trying to work fast because I don't want the chocolate to seize up. Seize up meaning that it'll get hard. And then I would have to try and melt it again. I don't know how that would work. So, okay, I'm going to try and cover these flat ones. But first I'm going to the bag and try to pick out all the broken pieces. Separate them. Not going to be a lot. It's just going to be some extra ones I'm going to make to add to the few chocolate ones that I already have. A lot of busted pieces in here. Okay, now I'm dipping the flat pretzels into the white chocolate to make white chocolate covered pretzels. I couldn't find any when I went to purchase the candy for the candy station. I'm doing this for my dear friend of mine's surprise birthday party. So since I couldn't find any, I decided to make my own. Now I'm taking a fork and I dip it into the chocolate and try to drain off as much chocolate as possible. This is tedious, people. At least to me it is. I don't know what kind of mess it's going to be, but I use my fork. I use whatever I can to move it around and lift it out of the chocolate.